Thank you, Dr. Logis. You may proceed.
Okay. Okay, sure. Yes, no problem. Okay, a very good evening to everyone, to all the students. Okay, I would like to thank you to Associate Professor Dr. Ramesh Zaidi Rozan and for accepting the invitation to give a comprehensive guide on Go-eCommerce, our CLO4 for UBSS 1032 or UHA 1032. Okay, Introduction to Entrepreneurship. Before we start, I shall give a brief introduction about our speaker today, Associate Professor Dr. Ramesh Zaidi. Dr. Ramesh Zaidi Rozan, Associate Professor in Information System at Faculty of Management and formerly known in School of Computing, UTM, for 16 years. Previously, he served as the director of UTM Excite, a university-level center for innovation and entrepreneurship building between UTM community and external stakeholders. He has over 27 years of experience and was formerly in 4 positions of non-academics and academic in private and public organizations. And he has been an entrepreneur since 1993. So I think, I mean, we have so many things to tell about Associate Professor Dr. Ramesh Zaidi Rozan. And in fact, he is my mentor, when I was studying and I I won a competition to US and Dr. Ramesh Zaidi was my mentor. Okay, and there are so many things to tell about him. And even, in fact, he won as one of the best mentor in Malaysia, and he holds a lot of position in Malaysia on entrepreneurship and innovation as well. Dr. Zaidi, I think I will over to you. There are so many things to tell about you, I think. Okay, so in short, I think we are really honored to have you today, Doctor. Okay, so I would like to ask, remind all the students, please make sure that you pay attention. Even the session will be recorded and you can even listen again and again, but it won't be same as you are listening today. And you can ask questions to our speaker, Associate Professor Dr. Ramesh Zaidi, and especially, the tips and tricks. Anything you want to ask, you have him. It is very valuable and you cannot get him easily. In fact, I wanted his time for a week. He's fully packed. And thank you again, Doctor, for accepting. Okay, over to you, Doctor.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Logis, for the introduction. All right, so I'm so honored to be here actually because this is one of the element which everyone requires to really understand. Okay, like you just imagine if you are given a tool to do reporting for business. Okay, so it's actually whether you are doing your work, you are doing so intensively, but for example, you miss out some reports which are very critical, you will not be perceived as somebody who actually doing your good job. Okay, so we don't want that to happen. And in real world, okay, sometimes people say uh, no forgiveness. Okay, in real world, and this is where we learn about being what they call being prepared and being aware of what are the tools available, okay, for whatever it is activities that you do, particularly in this UBSS 1032. So I'm honored. Thank you, Dr. Logis, the coordinator for UBSS Introduction to Entrepreneurship in University Technology Malaysia, for inviting me. Okay, so to make sure that we have a and clear presentation from my side, I just want to check. Is it? Can you hear me? All of you can hear me. If you can hear me, just put in the chat box. Just put yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Oh, I get a lot of feedback. That's good. That's good. No problem. So thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. All right. So you can actually, whatever it is, you can actually during my presentation, you can stop me in the middle. Okay, because this is not actually a theory presentation. This is actually a tool. I will actually show you the importance of it and how to maneuver so that you are able to maximize or optimize the use of the tool. All right. Of course, for you to get the CLO for the reporting, I actually mentioned. Okay, Dr. Logis made the poster for me, so it's mentioned a few topics there, a few subtopic. It's very important, although it's very small. It's very important. Okay, good. Okay, let me just share my slide. I will jump toggle from slide and also from we call it slide and also what they say uh, our browser. Okay, I will show browser. All right, so today or tonight we have this time. Okay, it's around 2 hours. I try to not go very long, because it's like Dr. Logis mentioned. Also, I'm uh, very packed. My timetable is very packed, and I just got the opportunity to take like a few hours rest today. Okay, and but I'm honored to be here to actually share with you. Let me just share. Okay, so the topic is actually e-commerce briefing, or in this poster, it is called comprehensive guide. I will be covering a few subtopic. I call it subtopic because it's small. Who can register, how to register, and let's get started. All right. And then we also have what are the registration steps. I will walk through. Okay, I will walk through the steps bit by bit, one by one, so that you will be able to replay in case you need to refer to watch the video. This video recording later on will pass it to you. And even it's very useful. Previously, when I do this in my class, for my class and for some of my videos, some of my students actually really happy because they were able to actually follow through one by one on the steps. And the third one, how to find your class section lecturer, and how to update personal and business profiles. We have personal and business profile, okay, in the Go-eCommerce system. Okay, and you also have what we call it, the next topic is how to update your sales and expenses. Okay, the next one is what are the strategies to achieve your sales target. That is although it's mentioned in the rubric, okay, that's mentioned to you by all your lecturers in every section, is RM 150 ringgit per person. Okay, and there are many ways of doing it. I will share, okay, some ideas. And number 7 is what data to retrieve from Go-eCommerce. Okay, which actually require you to use it. Okay, use it and put it in your digital business planning report, which is the digital business planning report actually carries 50% of your whole course marks. Okay, so it's not small, and this Go-eCommerce alone is 20% of the 50. That means it's 10% of the whole course, so it's very big. The last part is some additional things which you can do when you already become a user of the Go-eCommerce. All right, so let me straight jump to the me. Okay, so if you notice, this is actually the front page of Go-eCommerce. Okay, of course, this one is in my PowerPoint. All right, so the link is lms.goecommerce.my. Okay, so if you see here, okay, so I can show you. This is the link. Okay, so I make it big. lms.go-ecommerce.my, or you can just Google Go-eCommerce MDEC, or just Google Go-eCommerce. You will find this. Okay, it's actually very high rank in the search engine return. Okay, so the first thing that I need to share actually who can register. Okay, so I'm talking from the point of view of us here. That means from our community in UTM. Okay, we actually allow students and also lecturers to register. Okay, if let's say a students from anyway, okay, you may ask, for example, you may wonder, oh, my friend, my girlfriend, my whatever it is, wants to register. They can register. The only thing, probably they have problems in getting the list of lecturers which they should be what they call, should be in the class lah. Okay, otherwise they will just register as a user, but there's no lecturer for them. Okay, and that is for students. For you, as a UTM student, when you register, of course, you have your class, you have your section, and this is where you can actually choose from the list of all the names of the lecturers there. Once you click the list, then you can actually see, okay, uh, the class that you need to register. Okay, and then sometimes they are also entrepreneurs. Okay, not sometimes. Frankly speaking, there are so many entrepreneurs using this system. Not only our universities using it, we have almost all the university using or subscribing to this Go e-commerce system. The reason is because it's a national level reporting system. Okay, so if you love UTM, please register and make sure you report your sales. And why this sales is not only for your class. The whole country will look at it, will see it. Okay, and the minister, the MDEC officer, MDEC CEO will be reporting to the ministry, and our the ministry will be looking at maybe the best sales, the best number of students register, and so on. So make sure we have UTM there. All right. Okay, so this is just to explain it to you. Okay, let's go into the system demonstration. Okay, what I want to do, the e-commerce system demonstration, I will actually start looking from, if you look at the what they call poster, I will go one by one using that. Number one, Go e-commerce system demonstration. The next one is finding your class and so on, and then updating your personal profile. Okay. Let's go and I will show you one by one. All right. Let me just close this one first. Okay, so this is the screen. You can see my screen, right? Okay. All right. So this is the screen which actually the interface of the Go e-commerce. All right. So for the first time user, what you need to do, okay, is to click this register your account here. Okay. Before we go into that, I just want to know, may I know how many of you, can you just put in the chat how many of you already registered this before coming to UTM or before attending UBSS class? Okay, we have Nur Shafika. Nur Shafika, okay? Shafika, okay. Thank you, Shafika, for informing that. Okay, I believe that Shafika has what do you call, has joined maybe some classes outside. You have registered, eh? Thank you, Shafika. Is it joining any MDEC classes, or maybe MDEC they have like e-usahawan classes? You can answer through the chat. I will read the answer for you. Is that so, or it's like anyone inviting you to join? Okay. So yeah, you may answer if you want. Oh, you accidentally press it. Okay. So it's okay. Sometimes you accidentally become an entrepreneur and you become an accidental millionaire. Okay. All right. So we hope so. And okay. Thank you, Dr. Loges. Actually, Dr. Loges already gave you the link. Okay, the link is available in the chat. Okay, what you do, you just click. So I will proceed. I will proceed the registration and so on, so that you know how to actually go overcome it. All right. Let me just proceed. Let me just close all these unnecessary visuals I have and push it to my second screen. Okay, I have my second screen here. All right. Let me just close this. Just give me 1 second. All right. Okay. So let's get started. Okay, the first one, register your account here. The orange button, please click. Once you click the orange button, you will be shown this interface. It's very simple. Okay, you can change the language. Okay, English and Malay, but I just put it default. Default is English. Here, if you are Malaysian, please click new identity card. Okay, so new identity card number, please put your identity card number. Let's say yours is 00, okay, 0131 015515. Okay, so now there's a checker. You can see here, if you don't have enough number, it will come out like invalid value. So it's good. Last time there's no checker. So you have to put all the numbers there, and you put your email address, abc@email.com, for example. Okay, you put your password. Okay, follow the rule over there. Okay, once you follow the rule, you can, okay, this one is too short. Okay, good. Make sure you get that, and then you retype the password, and you put your full name as what you register. Okay, as what your full name as what it's written in your identification information, or for your in this case your IC. Put your, for example, I just put uh just imaginary. Okay, so this button, are you interested to attend? Yes, please tick this one. Why? Because you are actually in our physical face-to-face class. Let's say my NI is 79100. That's my password, my postcode. My mobile is 601912345667. All right. So this one is very important. Okay, please pay special attention here. Select which describes you. Okay, I make it bigger. So this, you don't put the second button. Please put student at TVET. Okay. If you put this bottom button here, you won't find your lecturer. Okay, because the reason you join is not as a student. The reason you join is because you are joining any other entrepreneurship program outside there, which they also subscribe to this system. Make sure you click this. Forget about micro entrepreneur. Next time you can do it, use it. But now for student activate. Then you click all this. Okay. Once you finish everything, you click the register button. All right. Very simple, very simple. Actually, you guys know much better than me lah. Okay, okay. You guys are born with gadgets. All right. So that is for Malaysians who have identity card. I see. How about if you are international student? So for international students, use passport. Okay. Let's say your passport number is A. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say your passport number is A12345. Okay, because there's a digit, there's a digit in front, 000. Don't just type that. You need to type the whole thing. Okay, type the whole thing. Make sure you, until this invalid value is no longer there lah. That means your value is already valid. Okay, and then you put your email address, your password, okay, your full name. All the rest are the same. Okay? Only that part. But now it's good because the input registration, they have comment. Last time, a lot of issues. Okay, students keep calling me, lecturers keep calling me. What happened? I cannot register. My passport is not accepted. Is it they can detect my passport is a fraud passport and so on? I said, wow, you are using fraud passport. No lah, I think maybe they have something. I said, no lah, it's not because of that. Okay, it's because it's not enough numbers you input. Okay. Okay, so this one also the same. After you finish, you click register. Okay. Assuming that you have finished this registration, okay. So what you do, okay, you will log in. Okay, here I go back. Sorry. Okay, you see here. So you have your password and your email. What you do, this is where you log in using your password and your email, the one that you registered. Okay, so I already made one for you, for easy, for us lah, instead of I start all over again. Okay, so here I use one account. Okay, so let's say I log in. I'm a student. Remember, I log in as a student. I'm not logging in as a lecturer. I'm like you. I'm logging as a student. So now I log in as a student. I log in. Okay, once you click the red button, login, after putting your email and password, you will be arriving to this page. Okay, just wait for a while. It's quite heavy. I don't know, since this year, I guess it's very, very heavy. Maybe because of COVID, a lot of people wants to do online. Just wait for a while. Okay. So I tested this in my during my class, I think 3 or 4 weeks ago, my section 27. So it also took a bit of time. Okay, right. Okay, I hope you can see this one. Okay, if you cannot see, please inform me in the chat area. Okay, good. Dr. Lages gave me a signal that it's okay. All right. Okay. So here we have actually three. I just call it a three mini window lah. Three mini window. Okay. So people say, what is that? I said, also there's a lot of things there. Okay. All of these, some of it are not really what do you call a requirement for you. Okay. However, it's very useful. I'll cover that at the last part of tonight what they call sharing. So the most important thing is this button lah. Track your business or report sales. But report sales is actually a shortcut to go to the reporting. If maybe you are so lazy, okay, humans are very lazy, they want shortcut. Like me, sometimes I want shortcut. Because you already register, you put all the information there. Or why you want to go again and again? So better click and go shortcut. Okay. But because this is new, let's say I just register. So for you, if you just register, please make sure you click number 1, crack your business. Okay, what happened here? Once you click your business, you arrive to this screen. Okay, you will arrive to this screen. And of course, yours will be zero, all zero. This is a mock account, student mock account. So you can see some numbers lah. Okay, the most important thing here, okay, is to go and make sure that, hold on, I want to see what's the topic. Okay, registration step. Okay, so you already register and now you actually need to find your class lecturer. Okay, so you notice at the top here, there's a button home, my profile. Okay, home, my profile. And we have, let me, okay. The button home, my profile, my business, my learning, my notifications, and so on. Okay, so many notifications. Okay, for you, it's no notification, of course, because if it's new. What you do is, if you click home, of course, it goes to the previous screen. The the front screen lah. Okay. So it will take time again. Sorry, I shouldn't be pressing that, just to show you. Okay. Let me take a sip of coffee. All right. Let me click again. So you track your business, click the number 1 button. The first very important thing is to update your profile. So when you update your profile, you click my profile. So here you have 2 types of profiles. One is personal profile and one is business profile. Please update your personal profile first. Okay. And some information are already there because you fill up in the registration, during the registration. Okay. So what you do is to click this edit button. Okay. Then you can update your personal profile. Just key in whatever it is that is legal for you lah. Okay. They want that information, put it as correct as possible. Okay. All right. So that one is actually personal information. The other one is a personal profile. The other one, we call it a business profile. When you click business profile, yours is empty. There's nothing there because when you register, you didn't provide any information on business. So what you do, you can also edit this. Put all the information here. Okay. Put all the information here. Okay, like this one is already there because I already typed and as a sample. So what you do, you put whatever it is that the information that you have. Okay, and the question is, where should you find the information? Okay, where should you find the information? All right, so every section, every students, okay, as a team, you must register as a startup. You must register as a startup. Okay, so the registration of startup, okay, uh, has been given by your your class, your lecturer, okay, and because it's just updated, I think a few weeks ago, okay, and you can start registering your startup company. Okay, so the startup company, not like previously. Previously, we require you to go to Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia, SSM. Now, no need for you to go to Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia. Everything can be done through UTM Excite. So thank you to UTM Excite because they provide this service for you, for very convenient for you to register and to make sure that it's easy for you to get a certificate. Anyway, for your information, the certificate is used for the practice of your business in UTM. Okay? Because in CLO4, you are required to do entrepreneurial activities, or we call it, easy word is you have to do business lah. Okay, you have to do some entrepreneurship activities which generates income. All right, so those, when you register as a startup through UTM Excite, the company name, the company registration number, we have the startup number, and whatever it is information, make sure you put it here. Okay, and please pay attention. If 5 of you in a company, or maybe 6 of you in a company, in that startup company, make sure everyone information in this business profile are the same. All of you must have the same information. Okay, I will tell you why later. Okay, I will show you why. I will tell you why now, but I will show you why later. Why is it very important to have same business profile for all the team members or the startup company? Let's say in your group of 5 or 6, is because your lecturer, when they sort through your report in Go-eCommerce, it's easy and convenient for him or her, or your lecturer, to actually find the same. Group it in Excel because they can download through Go-eCommerce. When they download, then they can group it based on based on your company name, your business name here. Okay, company name. So then it's easy. Let's say your company name is Go Halal in this case. So 5 people from Go Halal, in the Excel it will show exactly the same. Okay, when I say exactly the same, everything should be the same. If you put uppercase, all uppercase. If you put lowercase, all lowercase. If you put like this, mix uppercase, lowercase, it's also must be the same as the rest. Even the company registration number, make sure it's the same. Okay, don't give trouble to your lecturer. Okay, because lecturer job is to make sure that you get the right and optimum marks. Okay, but if you make problem, so it's not good because it will be very challenging for them to sort. Okay, so in registry, even in SSM, you must have this. If you are in a one company, two or 3%, the certificate will show the same exact name. Okay, if you go for any, for example, getting funding from anywhere, you have to put the right name. You cannot add even one letter. Okay, it will be invalid. Make sure. Okay, all right, so that is personal profile and business. Okay, I go back to your personal profile. When you scroll down your institution information here, if you are new, it's empty. No such thing as this. This is so many already, because yeah, I've been using this. We were the first to use this in 2019. Okay, so what happened here? This is very important. Very, very important. You see here, there's a button of add new. Okay. All right. So this add new info button, when you click it, you will get this class details. All right. So just a tips for you. Okay. If let's say you see this type of institution, Okay, fill up first. I will show you what to fill. We are IHL. Click IHL. Institution list. When you click, okay, maybe if you have quite slow internet, it will take time. You can see all the institution here. Make sure you click University Technology Malaysia. Once you click UTM, if you are in Johor, click in Johor. If you are in Selangor, you click in Selangor. KL in Selangor, you click. But we are in Johor. We are in Johor campus. Okay. Okay. We only have 3 campus. Okay. So as far as I know now is Johor and KL. So Johor, and name of institution is UTMJB. All right. So it will appear here because it's already stated by this team. Once you click this, you wait for a while. Okay. You can see here the address, city, district of institution, and postcode. It is shown automatically. All right. What if when you click this, you cannot get this when you fill up all this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, you won't get this. Okay, and then you say, oh, Dr. Zaidi say, Dr. Ramesh say, I'm going to have to wait lah. Say you wait until morning lah. Don't do that. The reason is sometimes the browser doesn't support this system. So I highly advise you to use Chrome or Mozilla. Firefox. You can use Google Chrome or Firefox. The rest, for this registration purpose, please, is not encouraged to use. Okay, I don't want you to trouble yourself by using those other than Mozilla and Chrome, because you will have headache. And sometimes when even you click institution, there's no name here. It's just empty. Okay? So don't trouble yourself. Go and use your friend's computer to register also. No problem. As long as they are using Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Okay, next, level of study. You are doing bachelor degree. Fill up bachelor degree. Study status, you are a full-time student. Type full-time. Here is very important. Then when you click this drop-down menu, you can see all the lecturers' name. You see? From here, my name is the first one. And then we have so many of your lecturers' name here. You can see, okay. One by one. See. Look at it. And then you choose. Click the button. Let's say, okay, I'm not going to click other people, otherwise my name will be in their class. And then suddenly tomorrow the lecturer say, oh, why? There's a new student. Okay. All right. So I click let's say I'm a student now. I click my name data lecturer. So I put course name. I put 2023, 2022, and 2023. That is now, semester 1. So let's say I'm from section 14. I click. Subject name is Introduction to Entrepreneurship. My class name is section 14 UBSS. And the month of enrolling subject. When do you enroll? In October, September, October? Okay, I think it's October, right? October. Just put October there. Okay, so the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is very critical, very very critical, because it will make sure you are in the right class. Number 7 until 14, it's also important, but it's for the purpose of collecting statistics. Okay, so 2022 internship, this one please press no, you are not doing internship. So when you press no, everything here will be inactive. 10, 11, 12. Expected year to complete study, please put this. If you are third year, now is 2022 third year. 2023 you will do fourth year, and 2024 you will graduate. Let's say you put 2024, and then expected month to complete study, let's say you expect June, and related to study field. As far as I know, in UTM, we don't have any bachelor in entrepreneurship. Okay, we have only one course, masters in IT entrepreneurship. So this one will automatically be no. Okay, so once you finish this, you submit. Once you submit, okay, I try submit. All right. Okay, once I submit, then I can see my class. You see, there's a new addition here, section 14. All right. So it kicks back me to the main page, not main page, sorry, to this page. Just wait for a while. So what happened eh? My lecturer can see me. My lecturer in section 14 can actually see me. Okay, let me just list this one eh. Section 14. The new one I add is section 14. Okay, my lecturer can see me in from his login, from his Go-eCommerce system. Okay. Okay, so if you need to edit or you want to delete this class also okay. So say you wrongly put, let's say you wrongly put in the wrong information, especially the section, you can delete and put again, or you can just edit. Okay, it's up to you. So in this case, okay, I just leave it here. Consider that it is okay lah. Okay, so your lecturer will, once you do this correctly, your lecturer can see your name in his login of Go-eCommerce system. All right. Okay, any question until here? Any question? If you have any question, please put in the chat, okay? Or you can just unmute yourself and say your name. Say your name first. Okay, hi, I'm Ung Sun Swan. Okay, I'm Ung Sun Swan from section A. I have one question. Just say. Okay, Munajatul, thank you. No question. All right, let me proceed. So the next one is how to update your sales and expenses. Okay, so now you have already. Okay, thank you guys for the response. Okay, now you have already updated your personal profile. You have updated your business profile. Okay, and you have your class. Now is the time to what to update yourselves. Okay, from this interface you can go to this my business. Okay, you can notice here home on the top, home, my profile and my business. When you click my business, okay, you will arrive here. You notice this just now when we first from the main page we enter. Okay, when you come here, you notice there will be a company name which is the same as what you register in your business profile. That one is very important. If you don't have your business profile, you can try, you can test and play, no problem. Okay, you register and then you go in, directly go to my business. You can see it's empty here. I say, oh, where's my company? I don't have. So what you do, fill up your personal information, your business profile, get your lecturer name, like the step we do just now. And what happened, you will actually see the Go Halal or your company name here. All right. So of course, I think this one, it's quite old already. I have it like a long time ago. Okay, you see, I have it a long time ago, 2020, because I do it for demo. 2019. For you, of course, is zero lah. Okay, 2022. Even this one, I want to check for the whole year. You can go to whole year. Okay. Or you want to go zoom specific on month. Okay. It's up to you. But the most important thing here is updating your sales and expenses. Okay. Again, just to share with you, you scroll down, all your lecturers have given you the guideline, the guideline, and probably the rubric. Okay, most importantly in UTM now, we are focusing on your sales. Okay, so we don't actually, for the time being, I'm not sure in future. Okay, for the time being, we only focus on your sales. Even if let's say you do your sales and then you have some expenses, if you already learn, some of you already learn. So if a net sales will be anything on the sales minus the expenses. Let's say you have 100 ringgit sales and your expenses is 50 ringgit. So that means your net profit, it's 50 ringgit. Okay. We don't, our calculation is not based on that. We calculate based on sales. So don't worry. So we have students previously who do business who do sales like 5,000 ringgit, selling perfume, in my class, 5,000. It's not that much, because we have students from, I think, Dr. Loge's class also, and we have students from Dr. Sabrina class, selling like 16,000 ringgit, maybe 20,000 ringgit. Okay, so they are very, very rich. Anyway, for my students, one of the group, let's say they have sales of 5,000 ringgit. So 5,000 ringgit, 5%, that means 1,000 ringgit per person. Okay, how much is actually your KPI? How much actually you need to achieve? Anyone knows? Can you type in the chat box how much actually you have to make sales in order to get full mark for the sales? 150. Good, good. Okay, that's everyone answering 150. 200. Wow, why we have 200? Depends on lecturer. Okay, so we have our rubric there. The marks, rubric marks, as far as I know, is 150 ringgit per person. Okay, so depends on lecturer. Okay, I'm not going to answer that. You can talk to your lecturer. But what I know, okay, I have from Fidza Iliana. Fidza Iliana say here is 750 ringgit for one group. Is it correct? Anyone disagree or everyone agree? Okay. How about if the group only four? It's not the same, How about if the group is 6? Oh, okay. So it's different, So, yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you, Lawanya. Abby, also you answer that. Okay, if it's yeah, you see, if they are 4%, sorry, Abby is actually answering 1%. So if let's say they are 4%, that means the group must have minimum of 600 ringgit because it's per person. Okay, I will share with you some student strategy. Last time they do it. It's your business, so it's your strategy. The only thing you must be very very clear on your strategy. Talk to your lecturer and so on. We want you to be very very good in having a plan and go about doing it. Do the experiment. Put the action, and then you know how it feels to become entrepreneur. Any So many of you are entrepreneur also. I can see this morning even my student came to me already have business. Okay, so how to add sales? So there are two buttons. I mean, from the transaction type, if you are doing offline, let's say one guy call you and then say, oh, I want to get from you lah. I want to buy your, let's say very easy. I want to buy your brownie. The from your Facebook, I can see is 25 ringgit. Let's say 25 ringgit. Okay. All right. So I saw from the Facebook is 25 ringgit one box. Can I buy from you? I said can. So I come to your place lah. So the guy come. Okay. So so then you record lah. You record the sales, Is that online or offline sales, In that case? Is it online or offline? Some people may say, hey, it's not online. Yeah, it's offline, It's not online, it's offline because the guy is not buying directly online, It's not the transaction done online. Yeah, correct. So some of it are hybrid, People go and then they use WhatsApp and then they bang in. Okay, is that online or offline? Oh, so difficult, Okay, don't be so hard on yourself on this thing, Okay, so you make sales. Later on you can improve. Okay, I don't want to push so hard on that, but whatever it is that you do, let's say if it is offline, you don't have marketplace here, they don't give you. But if you put online, they will give you marketplace. Not all the marketplaces. Okay, we have Shopee here. Okay, we don't have Lazada, but we have others. Let's say you have your own website. Let's say www.brownies.com.my. Okay, let's say that's your website, or whatever it is. Okay, let's say you do online brownies through your website, everything done online. So the purchase was done today, 11/12. The amount is 100 ringgit. Okay. Description is 4 packs, 4 boxes, brownies, boxes, 4 boxes. All right. Then you can submit. So what happened here? Once you submit, it will be recorded. Your data will okay. And then see here.
Kalau macam ada
Sorry,
cikgunya
I hear somebody asking question.
dah, tak kisah.
Oh, yeah,
Kalau
any
macam
question?
nama dah macam tiba Depan?
Who is that?
Tak
May
tahu.
Doctor, I think Zaliha Yusuf, you can mute her.
oh
I think she's just forget to mute.
okay. Please please mute. Please make sure you mute yourself. All right. Okay. So if you have I saw one question here. Nurin got one question. How about through TikTok? Is it the same? Okay. Talk to your lecturer. Okay. Because the process, if you have fully online payment, everything. Okay. Or maybe you define, for example, we have last time I defined with my students, if they have actually, of course, you have to do all the Facebook, what they call social media, for example. So you have your advertisement in social media, people connect to social media, okay, and then what they do, they pay online, okay, and then you deliver to them. You don't even meet them face to face. I call it online. Okay. So, but don't be so hard on yourself whether it's online or offline. Okay. Please don't do that, because there's a lot of hybrid happening. Online, offline, the money smells the same, Okay. All in the bank and the money can be used. Okay. So that's very important. So that's my opinion, If any other of your supervisor, your lecturer give other opinion, please please consult your I keep on saying supervisor. Please consult your class lecturer. All right, Nurin, is it okay? How about if she pay online with oh yeah, yeah, that one also can, because it's just a matter of what they call a delivery, right? Can you send the machine? Can you send your brownie online? Can you send? For the time being, we don't have the teleport, Star Trek, they have teleport. Okay, you can send the brownie, but I don't know what will happen lah. You send the brownie, maybe everything will be liquid. Okay, just joking, But just to share with you, uh, even to differentiate whether it's online, often we see which process has more lah. Okay, so normally if it's like giving the like what you are doing in this semester, you have your social media advertisement, all these, and then people connect to you, and then they say they want something, and then you send through delivery, or maybe you drive because it's not far. Okay, my student last time always when I our students, okay, even the advertisement is through WhatsApp group, and then I say not enough information, mengada-ngada lah, I'm like mengada-ngada lah, not enough information, I want to know more. Okay, then they give me their social media page. So I go to social media, and then I look at the teaser. Oh, it's very interesting. I look at the soft selling. They give a lot of good information on the food, on the benefit of the food, on the benefit of the content. I say, oh, this is good. You really know what your product, So the student, yeah, I really know. That's why I want to offer you, sir. I say, okay. Then at the end of the day, okay, but before I buy, I don't know lah whether you can send to my place. Oh, where do you stay, sir? So I give the address lah. Then after a few minutes, they return. Yes, sir, can. Sir, is it okay if you buy more than, let's say. Okay, because my place is not near, Dr. Loge is also not near, So, if you want, and then if they want to sell to me, okay, They say, sir, I can send to you, but can you buy at least minimum of 2 boxes? I say, okay, no problem. But at the end of the day, I cancel the arrangement, sending, because I was actually on my way to office, and then I met them lah, so they give it to me. So no, but I still buy 2 lah. Okay, I still buy 2. Don't sell to me, please offer to your class lecturer, okay. Otherwise, I have I have to eat a lot of the junk food, so my tummy will get bigger. All right. Okay, no more question, let me proceed here. So you see here, okay, let me just, this one is confusing because it's 1 year. Let me just refresh. November. Okay, no problem lah. Okay, just now we have like 100 ringgit sales, so that one is online. You can use also offline. Okay, you put the amount, nothing there, no marketplace, but you put in the description. For example, 500 ringgit. What do you call it? The tapak pesta convo. Kiosk in tapak pesta convo UTM. 500 ringgit, Yes. Then you have 100 ringgit from online, 500 ringgit from offline. So you notice here the green button. Oh, hold on, Data has been saved. All right. So here you can see it's already updated 500 plus 100. Okay. Yearly performance you just ignore here because I already put the information before. Actually, I can clear that. No problem. I will show you later. So then you get your sales here. All right. If you scroll down until the bottom, you can see one red button. Let me just push this one out. View your sales and expenses. When you click this, you can see the system generates you a list of all your sales and expenses. Just wait for a while. It's loading. Because you are doing $1 million business, so it takes time lah. Million and million of dollars. Okay. Is it million of dollars? So you see those dates, long dates ago lah. Okay. So what you do, you see, all these are the records that you do, all these, you see. 11 December 2022, online, brownies.com, 100 ringgit. And we have another one offline, is 500 ringgit. If you just go to the right, okay, you can see all this description there. Okay, you can edit for main reason lah, genuine reason. Okay, make sure you edit for genuine reason, and then you can also download and print. You click download, it's a button over there. You will get the PDF. If you download export to CSV, of course you will get the Excel. Okay, so these are very important for you, okay, to put as the appendix for your report, for your report. Okay, let me kill this one first so that it is sorry, not kill, I always think of killing process. All right, let's delete that. Okay, no rows to show. Okay, I purposely delete that, and you click back your my business. Okay, it's empty, So let's say, okay, because I delete only the old one, so we still have this. Easy, easy to see, because you already know there are 2 cells we do together. And now you want to add expenses. You choose whatever category that is appropriate to what you want lah. For example, let's say my expenses just now, kiosk, people come to my kiosk in Tapak Convo. Okay, 500 ringgit. People come to me. No expenses in traveling. But the 100 ringgit, I have to send to my customer. So, what they call others lah. I put others. Okay. And I use Grab. It cost me 10 ringgit. Okay. So, this is Grab ride to send 2 boxes of brownies. Right, then you submit. Okay, so now you have 100 ringgit money coming in and 10 ringgit money going out. So how much you have balance? 590 lah. Very simple, right? Okay, so you see here. So it's 590. Okay. All right. So if you are in a group, let's say you are in a group of 5. Okay. What happened here? You are in a group of 5. You are not going to report. I repeat, if you are in a group of 5, you are not going to report this 590 ringgit per group under one name, one person name. Okay? Because if you report this 590 ringgit under one person name, you have 5 people. How much will that be? Okay, let me make it easier. I will add, let's do 590 to 750 and how much to add? 100. Ano ni? Lelong, let's say Lelong, and then just now how much? 160. Okay, there's another sales. Boba tea plus durian. Boba tea durian. I don't know how it tastes. 10 boba tea durian. I submit. Okay, you see, how much is actually the sales now? Oh, on fire. Ashraf is on fire. All right. How much is actually the sales? 750. Yahoo! One semester. I say, not one semester lah. One day already lah. Only one day you managed to get. Okay? Congratulations to me. As a team, everyone is happy. 5 of us, we already met 750. So it's a minimum. We get the marks lah. 20 marks, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. So 750 ringgit. If you do this, I tell you one thing. Please do not report 750 ringgit per person for everyone. That means, what happened, if you have 5 person, everyone is reporting 750 ringgit. Don't do that. Okay? So how you do? This Go-eCommerce is meant for individual reporting. Individual reporting. So this 750 is considered as for one person. Okay? If you want to make it, this is a strategy I think I add lah. What are the strategies to achieve sales? Oh, this is strategy to record. Strategies to achieve sales, there's another one. So strategy to record is way, make sure your team is 750 minimum. If you have 5 person, your only answer just now is 150 ringgit. So that means in your Go-eCommerce, every person only put 150 ringgit. Remember. Then the total will be 750. Because your lecturer will look at your digital business planning report, which you submit as a team. As a team member. You submit as a team. 5 member, the teams have made sales of 750. But when your lecturer look inside, everyone is actually selling 150. So everyone get the mark lah. Understand? Do you get my point? Okay, thank you. I got Noraida Halim. Thank you, Noraida, asking, Doctor, when we add sales, does every member in our group will also be updated about the No. No, unfortunately, the system doesn't allow that. I love it if it's like that. If just now we were talking about business profile, right? If like Go Halal, I put Noraida and also under my team, no Go Halal, Nurin also under my team, Go Halal, Fidza, Ileana also under my team, Izzat also under my team, 5 of us. When I add something here, you won't be getting any updates because it's not integrated. Yeah. Dr. Loges also answer. Unfortunately, no. Okay, so what happened? Everyone need to put in their cells. So the strategy is, okay, let me just share the strategy. Recording all these operations is very easy. You can learn it even closing your eyes. I believe UTM students are very smart. They can use it. They can do this very, very fast. So they are students, just to share with you, they are students who actually work as a team. Okay, they say what they do, work together as a team, and what they do, all the cells will be divided to the number of team member. Let's say their cells is 1,000. They divided 5, so everyone get 200. Something like that. Fair lah, fair. So this one, it's up to you. It's your business, You decide. Okay? If you don't know, you ask your lecturer, sir, should I do this? Should I do that? If me, I'm a lecturer, I will say, it's your business, what? But tell me, what is the best strategy for you? You don't have time. I mean, you not have time. You have limited time. You have to be smart. 5 of you, not all of you are doing the same task. You divide your task. Somebody is doing maybe some part of the design of the teaser. Some guys are actually what they call dealing with the owner of the product, for example. So everyone has different role. It's the real world. It's like in the real world. So somebody is doing sales, maybe in 5%, 2% actively do sales, the 3% maybe a bit, okay? But make sure you try and get everyone, what they call, get the experience. Because in your digital business planning report, you need to write reflection. Everyone have to write their one reflection, one paragraph or whatever it is in that report. Let's say myself as a student, I write 1 page of reflection. Maybe I say there, as a leader, I'm very happy because everyone actually follow my order. Okay, I'm so happy. Follow my order lah. Something like that, which is that doesn't happen lah. Okay, but it happens because my team are very good. Okay, Fidya actually makes sales so much. Okay, Nurin also makes sales so much. Blah 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 and so on. Okay, and Nurin also will write reflection. Filza will also write reflection. Izzat also will write reflection. Everyone will write reflection and say and tell. Okay, so let's say, if let's say that is a case where you go as a team and you divide. There's another way. Okay, I had student last time in my aeronautical class. They decided to actually have, there's a one team of product which is food, Asian food. So some of them from Sri Lanka, some of them from Mauritius, I guess. Mauritius, I forgot the place. Sri Lanka, India, Mauritius, and so on. So what happened? Everyone actually will go and sell their product. So in the Facebook teaser and so on, they combine together. Of course, it's one team, one group. So in the teaser, they are promoting the 5 product. In their, what they call, soft selling, they also promote this product from Sri Lanka is good. It has some herbs and so on. And the selling also, the what they call, hard selling. Okay, everyone also work. But when people want to buy, let's say, the Sri Lanka food, okay, and the student got like 200 ringgit, maybe 5 times, for 5 times, 5 times selling. Okay, it's 40 ringgit times 5, so it's 200 ringgit. So in this case, this guy is actually what they call, sold 200 ringgit for his Sri Lanka food. He's in one team and he can report that 200. Another guy selling nasi Arab. Okay, and the nasi Arab guy actually sold a lot lah. I think, if I'm not mistaken, like 700 to 800 ringgit. Okay, because it's very common meal, and he actually he purchased from restaurant here in Taman U, and then he actually deliver. Okay, did very well. This one is before COVID. I'm talking before COVID. After COVID, different story lah. All right. So everyone, if you look at the report, I'm the lecturer. I look at their report. Mr. A from Sri Lanka, he will put there his sales is 200. Mr. B from from India, he will put sorry, from UAE, that one guy from UAE, from Dubai, his sales is around 700. So you can see different sales for every person, but everyone actually go to the minimum, more than the minimum. So everyone get full mark lah for the sales. Okay, you can also do that, no problem. But for the reporting point of view, make sure you report. If you are doing in a group, you agree like everyone in the group have managed to sell 1,000 ringgit of product. 5% in a group, you divide by 5. Everyone report the 200. But make sure not the same lah, because maybe 200 doing online, 200 offline. So you separate based on the information you get. Okay. One very important thing. This is very important, very critical. How do we know that you are doing the sales? Okay. How do we know that you are doing the sales? You need to have evidence, proof of sales. Okay. So in my class, previous class, for this semester, I haven't talked to my students yet on the very detail. So in my previous class, every lecturer, they have their different strategy, but I actually told my student to use the online receipt generator or invoice generator. It's free. Okay, you can just generate the receipt and then keep the receipt. Okay, so that you can even put the receipt information in the description. Maybe people buy online, okay, and then you put the cookies, sorry, is Puja. Okay, then you have receipt number, okay, ABC 003. Let's say, okay, the amount is 50 ringgit. So in this case, you put the receipt number. All right. So what I did last time for my student, I randomly look at the digital business planning report, because we have customer name. Receipt is there. I asked the student to make sure you have the customer at least 2 information, name and phone number. Why? Because I make phone call. I do random checking. So one of it, I call, and then the guy, I say, I'm from UTM. I want to ask about this. Oh, how do I order again? Something like that. I was like, oh, this is a very good customer. I said, oh, can. Later on, I asked this student to call you, but it's already end of semester. So of course, you already close book lah. You already submit all the reports. So I just checking as a lecturer. Okay, so make sure you have evidence, because we don't want you to put numbers like you are dreaming of putting that. Okay, I have question here from Ace. Oh, you must ace in this project. Doctor, does expenses include cost? Yes. Okay, for example, let's say you see the category here. Let's say you are talking about cost is expensive lah. If the cost can be your maybe what they call rental, that's a cost. Or if you include expenses such as what they call this material. Okay, let's say you want to buy goods, raw material, also can. Okay, because last time before COVID, we have a lot of students who actually cook and prepare food for sale. They even fry their krepek. Okay, and they use this pantry in the office to arrange with the pantry and become key partners. Okay, in faculty science last time lah, they become key partner. They put their food there, all the sliced fruits they put there, and then during lunch they pull out and then they sell. One day they can make like 50 ringgit. Very, very fast. You sell fruits, it's very, very fast. Okay, it's something that low hanging fruit. It's very fast, it's very easy. The only thing you need to find somebody who has refrigerator very near to you. Okay, otherwise it will be not that cold, not very fresh. So during lunch, you just make sure people take their food and then fruit cup, 2 ringgit one with a few slices of whatever it is. So people buy because that's very tempting, very luring. People like, the hugger, I feel like I want. So that's just one information, one example lah. Let's say the amount is 20 ringgit. So the description is one pack of Baba's spices. Or maybe they sell kesari. Kesari is very nice. Okay. One pack of Baba's kesari powder. Okay. For those who doesn't know kesari, you can Google. Very nice. You can make it on your own. Very simple. Make sure you have ghee, milk, all this lah, and just put it. All right. So 20 ringgit for the cost raw material. Anyway, what we do as lecturer, we will, if you see here, you see your profit, and then you have your expenses. Okay. So what happened here? You see, your sales is at 810 ringgit. Okay. Your expenses is 30 ringgit. We look at the sales. Okay. Of course, in this case, it becomes yearly sales lah. Okay. We look at the sales because you guys will be doing this year, maybe December and next year. So make sure you capture both. Like next year when you log in, you have 2023 January until December and all lah. So make sure you record all. Don't suddenly, hey, why I lost that 500? I couldn't see here. So make sure you can see in the system lah. Okay. So what I ask my student normally to snapshot this page. Let's say Izzat. This is Izzat page. So Izzat managed to do 810 ringgit. So Izzat will snapshot this. Izzat sells 810 ringgit, and he will actually put all the names of the customer. All right. Okay. Any question? Any question up to this level? Ace, did I answer your question, Ace?
Yes, doctor. Thank you.
All right. Okay. I like to ask question. Oh, okay. Let me answer this. Doctor, COD charge will be included in sales or not? So cash on delivery, when do you want to record? Okay, it actually a little bit slow lah. But normally, please records for me. What I do, if I don't have that many tools, if I don't have a full-fledged accounting system, full-fledged inventory control system, okay, like this one is the simplest one. Okay, if you really know about accounting and so on, you might not be happy with this system. Frankly speaking, a lot of people complain, but I'm not an accounting person. But what actually the reason they do this is to increase the awareness of recording, putting a record on your sales and expenses. Okay, so that's the reason they have this very simple system. It's a bookkeeping system. You keep up all the information. Okay, so to answer Fiza Liana question, what I always do, I always tell student, if the COD charge, okay, will be included in sales or not, I told them what is actually your net profit and how much actually you pay for your COD. So you just deduct, no problem. It becomes very easy. Like you pay for agent, because you need to differentiate how much actually you make sales and how much actually you minus. Okay, where you put the evidence, put it together with your report, digital business planning report. Okay, because you need to submit final report at the end of semester. Put an attachment to it. Okay, talk to your lecturer in your class. Okay, because they already know what kind of report. The only thing is how to arrange. It's up to you, because we receive a different kind of report as long as you put the what do you call required information there. Okay, is it okay? Nur Aida, Fitza. Okay, I want to ask question. Let me ask question. What if yeah, let's say I'm a student. Sir, I have problems, sir. Okay, I'm selling these things. It's 1 ringgit one, and people buy 1 ringgit, 1 ringgit, 1 ringgit. How can I track the name? How do you do that? Okay, okay, we have this case before, because one of my students, he's actually selling games. One person come and play game, uh, he will actually record. And after play game, if the person win, he pay lah. The person doesn't win or lose, he take the 1 ringgit lah. It's a what mind game, mind and action. So that means your cognitive and your psychomotor will work together. But normally people cannot do because it's very confusing. That game is very confusing. Okay, even you have very good mathematics, it's very confusing because it's mental and and muscle, mental and muscle. So I actually asked him. I say, hey, when people pay you, you want to give them price, right? So you cannot just give price to people without. I tell them the other way lah. I said, if you want people to come to you and they pay and they win, you cannot just give price without evidence, right? Otherwise, the company will say you take the money on your own. Oh yeah lah, sir, correct lah, sir. So that means you have to record lah. Sir, so many. Yeah, you record, no problem. It's not difficult, what? Because one person, how many minutes people play? Around 3 minutes. You see? Don't tell me you cannot write their name and their phone number in 3 minutes. And the student say, oh, okay, sir, now I understand. He wrote everything. And then what happened? Because of that requirement, you know what he did? He changed the strategy. What he did later, he actually go and do a group kind of game. He changed, and the group actually pay more. The group pay like 15 ringgit. One person name only. Group leader, 15 ringgit. You imagine 15 ringgit. 10 groups already, you got your result. Of course, this group won the SAMS lah in 2019. Won the SAMS. Okay. Very, very smart lah. So, I said, why you do like this? Sir, I think I have to change my strategy. I will lose my time getting people 3 minutes and then one person 1 ringgit. Let me go and do 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but I get 15 ringgit. I say, good, smart. Okay, so you have to think very, very smart because you have all the whatever resources may be limited. So you have to think like very practical. Don't feel like, oh, I can do this, no problem. Yeah, because you have to think like an entrepreneur. Okay, think like you are lazy. People say lah, okay? Smart. Try to optimize time. You have 10 minutes, entrepreneur can make 100 ringgit. Normal person maybe 10 ringgit. Okay, so think. Okay, Haziq asked question. Nur Haziq asked question. Doctor, if the customer paying by cash, is it okay by receipt? Yes, you can use book receipt. Actually, even, you print the A4 paper, you put the name, contact number, and what item they buy. Also okay. So print and then you write by your handwriting. Make sure it can be seen your handwriting. Why I'm saying this? It's for me lah because my handwriting is very bad. Your handwriting I know is very good. So you put nicely. People pay. Okay. So this paper you put together in the digital business planning report. So this under Nur Haziq. This is Nur Haziq. This is myself. Or you have it for all your team, and then you separate lah. This is Nur Haziq. This is what. But normally, if you do like separate with others, it's like a sales agent. If a sales agent, you give them their own tool, right? If you become sales agent, you don't share tools with others. So you have your own form. I have my form. Okay, Azik, have your form. Azik, I work with you. I have also one form. I'm one team. So I go and fill up my form. I mean, I do myself, I fill up the form. You do yourself, you fill up your form. Okay, so it's like a sales team lah. Is it okay, Azik? Am I answering your question? Okay, so book receipt, no need to buy lah. Okay, print A4 paper, you just write down. Oh, what write down? You make the table, and then make sure that one is aligned to what you put in the ni lah, in the what in your Go e-commerce. All right. So what data to retrieve from Go e-commerce? Okay. So we are going to what data. I already mixed a lot. What data you retrieve from Go e-commerce? Okay. So data that you need to submit is actually this. Okay. Say normally my student will give this sales and expenses report. Okay. They will share that. Okay. So okay. Sorry, it's very slow. All right. They will have this because it's a loan. It's a loan. So they will unfortunately okay, if you look at the format, you try to download the format. If I noticed last time, there's no name. So it's only focused on the business. So let's say this is my account as a student under Go Halal, and Izzat also under Go Halal. Okay, Naufal also under Go Halal. Okay, Ace also under Go Halal. So everyone will print, but at the end of the day, we don't actually know who owns the report. So make sure you put header. You write a header there. If you upload the Excel, you edit the Excel. Okay, let me check. I hope it's already, maybe they already changed to become much improved. Let me just check. 1 minute. Let me check. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's opening now. Just wait. So I actually download the Excel. You see? Okay, so this is your. Wait, I'm sharing this. Okay. Okay, I'm sharing this. All right. So you see, the sales is done on what date? The date also problem. Okay, you can see all these. Those are the things which. Okay. All right. Good. So the date is here. This one is not considered lah. So the date with which we generate the information is here. Okay, maybe you are selling the brownies in the morning, but then you report at night. Okay, also no problem. Okay, as long as you report the right one lah. So here then you see, okay, these are the sales. Okay, so the total sales here. Okay, 810. Let's say this is I just for the sake for myself lah. Okay, because sometimes not all the information I given. Oops, sorry, wrongly put. Okay. Okay, so I have this is what I report in Go e-commerce. So what I do like this normally, what you do before you put your name lah. Let's say you put here Ace. Okay, so company name already here, business name already. So your name is Ace. Okay. So now it makes sense lah. So this is a reporting in Go e-commerce. Okay. So most of my students, what they do, they have the receipt, they have the information of the customer. But I notice also a few of the students, they put in the name of the customer in the description. Also okay, no problem. Also okay. For me, I don't have problem with that because you put the information which is valid here. Okay, but you must make sure it's contactable the person. Okay, so that means your business is genuine. We can do audit. Like your lecturer can actually make a random call. Until now, all my random calls work well lah. Okay, no one actually they are not selling 100,000. Okay, this one is selling mostly. The most is like 6,000, 7,000 ringgit. It's a lot of money also. But as far as I'm concerned, they did it genuinely lah. All right. Okay, we are going to finish soon. Any question before I jump to the other part, which is learning modules and others? Any question? All okay? All can get full mark lah. No, okay, good, good. Thank you. Okay, I get feedback. Thank you, thank you. Fatiha, thank you. Noraida, thank you. All right. Okay. So all these are future millionaires. Okay. If you need my service, when you're a millionaire, I'm willing to do. All right. Okay. So let's go to the other one. So let me just close this. Save. All right. Yeah, that one is the place. Okay. Okay. So it's CSV. Oh, it's CSV. So when you save, it's different format. Okay, it's up to you lah. That one is just file management. Okay, no problem. Okay, so let's go back. So here, you see, when you, okay, more, there's a claim reward and so on. This one, I'm not sure. I'm not going to say anything about this. Okay. Because I never use that one. You see the points are very high, but it's not really genuinely business by me. This is a demo file. Okay. So they are my learning. Okay. So this my learning, if you click, if you click my learning, what it will give you, you will get all these courses. See, so many courses here. And for your information, for the lecturers, especially those who are like a few of us who went for certification. Okay, some of the information, not some, most of the notes are available here. So if you look at all these, those are notes which are, don't be surprised. Okay, it's also will be used for the class, for our class. Okay, so but before we go that, just to share, let's say this one you click from my learning. Let's say you go to the home, click home. Home is your front page. After you log in, they will bring you to home. A little bit slow. Please raise your hand if you are sleeping. Okay, then no one sleeps. Okay. All right. So here it goes here. You see, just now it's the same as you click number 3. If you click number 3, learn online, you click, it goes to the same thing. So if you log in, it will bring you to the 3 small screen, or we call it 3 sub-modules. 3 sub-modules. So from here you can click, let's say, what do you want to learn today? This is free. These are all free. And they actually use a lot of money to develop this. Okay, what I want to check today, exporting to China. Let's check what we can learn here. I never click this. There's a lot of wonderful information around. Of course, it's it's not like last time. This time is too much information, so you need to really know how to filter lah. So in my class, in my 2 sections, I always use the word learning how to learn. So this UBSS class is actually learning how to learn. Okay. Exporting to China, training location Sabah, offline. Oh, Offline, offline, offline. You see, eh? Let me look at one, eh? Usahawan, okay, I make it bigger. Cikgu Mardi Marijo, Certified Usahawan Masterclass. Location training Sabah. Oh, yeah, so far. Oh, that was a long time ago. Okay, 2020. Okay, so it's offline, eh? So if you see here, you click more. So slow. Okay, I will just pass. I will just scroll down. So it's offline. So offline normally the class is not what do you call the material are not shared. Okay, because all the SMEs you notice just now you are student, right? Student, the other one is entrepreneur, SME and entrepreneur. When you click student, and even all of you and all of them are using the same system. Only the reporting will be different. I mean, who they report to. You report to your supervisor, your lecturer, okay, your class lecturer. But for them, they report to their, for example, company who actually become their coach. Okay, so let's go back. This one maybe until tomorrow, so I don't want to wait. Unless some of you maybe selling some good coffee, you should be selling before this session, so at least everyone can drink the same coffee for promotion purpose. Switch on our camera. Okay, coffee. Haha. Okay, let me just go to the okay lah, Instagram lah. We go Instagram lah. Instagram. All right. So you see here when you go in, so you have ins. Oh, sorry. Let me make bigger. Instagram training location Selangor Darul Ihsan. Oh, okay. Let's see. Sometimes you see they have online. Okay, let's just check. Sometimes they give you click more. Wait until tomorrow. Okay, no need to wait until tomorrow. Click this, the title, introduction to Instagram. Aha, you click the introduction. So you see here, there are a lot of things here. Watch, introduction to, it's a video. Read, it's a note. Take assessment. Oh, powerful. So you click this video. No need to click the more lah. I think you will wait until, I don't know lah. Then you get the video here. You see? You click. Hold on. I don't think I share. Let me just share the video with the optimized video. Okay, let me share.
Hai, nama
Okay,
saya
you see.
Izzat. Melayari gambar di Instagram.
This is my partner Izzat. I just saw I mentioned Izzat many times. Where's Izzat? So this is Izzat. This is also another Izzat. Alright. You can watch the video.
Hai, nama saya Izzat. Melayari gambar di Instagram memang menyeronokkan. Sebab itu, Instagram merupakan platform yang sesuai untuk menjalankan pemasaran. Instagram menyediakan akaun khusus untuk perniagaan. Perniagaan penerangan perniagaan.
Okay, I'm not going to show all.
Sebelum membuat akaun perniagaan.
Okay, and they have also notes for you. I go back. Notes which you can download. Click the link up here. Okay, you have to be very neat. Sometimes the system not so friendly. But it's not the problem. Okay, it's just the way it is. Life is like that. So don't worry so much. Just make sure that you know where you get the resources. So here you click introduction to Instagram business account. You will get the notes. Don't be surprised also because we also use these notes. Let me make it smaller. Okay. Next page. Okay. All right. Okay. And there are many other. Okay, here anyway, if you notice this, this is good. They have some legend here. Gray color, not attempted, in progress, completed, and failed. So this one completed. I don't think we completed the video. But anyway, number 2, learning progress, in progress. The notes. I just go to page number 3. And take assessment. Oh, this is good. Then you can take assessment. Your class don't have any exams. Okay, but you can go and play around and see. Okay. Belinda just created an Instagram. Okay, so many. All right. So you can try lah. Okay. I'm not going to answer this. Otherwise, I don't know the answer. I will fail. I will fail in front of you. Okay. Okay. So that is the learning. Okay. So there's another one. Okay. I go and click home. Always, it takes a little time. Okay. Wah, so lambat lah. Okay. So you have number 1, we already go and visit very deeply. 1.5 hours we spend here. This one we spend only 10 minutes just to show you, because the rest is the same. You just go and check. This one is actually some, what they call, oh, I think they don't. Very unfortunately today. Okay. Next time if you visit, you check, because this number 2 now is not active. The link has been removed. I think the system MDEC is updating it. Okay. So this one you already see, number 1, and number 3 you already see. Okay. Number 2, unfortunately today you cannot enter because they disable the link. Okay. Okay. What is actually number 2? Number 2 has a few questioning. A few questions. You can actually answer the question and see whether you are ready for the business. What is your strength? What is your limitations, and so on. Okay, towards digital Go-eCommerce business. Sorry, not Go-eCommerce, e-commerce business. All right. So unfortunately, it's not okay. Sorry, this time I'm not sure. Maybe it's because they are doing some updates. Okay, I cannot comment on that because this system is not ours. Okay, if you have time later on, please go and please go and visit. All right. Let me just. Okay, so where's my share button? Automatically. Nice. All right. Okay, so we have covered this one, updating your sales, strategies to achieve goal, what data from Go-eCommerce submitted to final digital business planning report, learning module, profiling test, certification. Oh, certification. Yes, I forgot to show you certification. All right. Let me check again. Let us go. Am I still sharing this? Yes, I'm still sharing this screen. Okay. So in this case, if you look here. Okay. All right. This certification is actually for your lecturer. You don't have it here. So your lecturer can actually come out with your lecturer can actually recommend your name so that you are able to download a certificate of course completion. All right. So but this one have to log into. I'm not going to show you the for the lecturer because I'm not going to show you the view. Anyway, I think this one I can share with your lecturer lah. Okay, I will share with your lecturer, not with students. But just to share with you, actually once you finish this course, your lecturer can tick your name. Okay, and once they tick recommend, you are able to download certificate of completion. So it's good, So at least you can show to people that you have certificate on this. All right. So I'm not going to log into the lecturer information because there's a lot of things which I'm not prepared to share. Okay. And but that one is a thing that I think is really good. As long and make sure that you write your name nicely, correctly in your business personal profile and business profile. Otherwise, the certificate will be having wrong name. Okay, I think yeah. Hold on. Let me let me share the last one. Okay. This is actually thing to pay attention. So before we end, I just want to share that registering yourself and to use Go-eCommerce system for your CLO4 reporting is compulsory. Okay. If you don't use this, it will impact uh, the group. Okay, your group also, because your group will be reporting the digital business planning report. Okay, and of course it will impact yourself as a person lah, as an individual. Sorry, as an individual for the CLO4. Okay, the other one that is very important is Go-eCommerce is owned by MDEC. It's owned by MDEC, so it's very very important for you to don't wrongly what they call send message to someone in UTM to solve the problem of Go-eCommerce. Please don't do that. Okay, let me just share with you. If you have issues regarding, for example, you forgot your password, you forgot, maybe you forgot your name, maybe suddenly you wake up in the morning, you forgot your name. Oh, what is my name and so on. Then, what course am I from? Huh. Okay. Uh, if it's related to Go-eCommerce, please contact. Hold on, I show you. Oh my, what happened to this? I show you the Go-eCommerce. Let me just show you the Go-eCommerce support number. Login. Okay. All right. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Just give me 1 minute. Let me just stop this sharing first. Oh, no. Mm. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I got it. All right. Oh, no, no, not this one. I think they changed the link already. Okay. I will share with your lecturer, because they have a support number which you can call support number is available in the Go-eCommerce. Where is it? Unfortunately, it's not in the same link that I have. Okay, no problem. I think I'm sorry for that. Okay. It's somewhere in the page, because I already saved the link a long time ago, but when I open it, it's no longer in the page. Maybe they already updated. Okay. So I think I've covered all the topic that we promised to share. Okay. So from the who can register, how to register, what are the strategies to key in, what are the strategies to do your business. Okay, make sure that it's recorded nicely, and make sure what data that you need to actually do the reporting, okay, from here. Okay, and the learning modules I show also. Profiling test is not available because of the link. Certification, I will actually explain to your class lecturer lah. Okay, that one is easier because once you complete at the end of the semester, they can click your name and send it recommendation. Then you can download certificate. Okay, all right. Yeah, I think I 10:18 already. So I think I've finished the sharing and its explanation. So I like to pass to Dr. Loges. Maybe there are Q&A perhaps. Oh, don't forget, Dr. Loges share the attendance for tonight's class. Tonight, not class, tonight's sharing. So please click and make sure you fill up the attendance sheet. Okay. Okay, before I pass to Dr. Loges, maybe Dr. Loges, we ask any question?
Yeah, sure, Abang.
Yeah. So any questions from you guys? You can put in the chat, or you want to unmute and what do you call voice out through using the karaoke voice that you have, or maybe DJ voice.
Okay, doktor.
Who is this? May I know? All okay?
So far okay, doktor.
Okay, Khairul. Okay, so far okay. Okay, good. That's good. That's like a super entrepreneur. Say super okay. Good.
Hi, dear students. Do you have anything? Any question to ask? The thumbs up and the emoji shows that they are very clear. Need permission to entry. The attendance need permission to entry. No, there are so many students already fill up the attendance.
I think the attendance, we should use UTM email.
Yeah, please use UTM email. Thanks, Khairul.
Thank you, Khairul.
Okay, doktor.
Still, I have 316 attendees already.
Oh,
Okay.
that's good.
It's good, but actually we had just now until 370, I think, doctor.
Oh, 370.
Yeah, 370, yeah. Just now until I think 9:30, 9:45, we have 370. Okay, doctor, I think they are very clear, and I think they will have
Yeah.
doubts when they are started to, really update the sales.
Correct.
During that time they will
Correct.
have the doubts.
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you very much for your valuable time, doctor. I really feel that it is really calm and a very good detailed explanation. Even I learned a few new things today.
Okay, good.
Thanks a lot,
hear
doctor.
that,
And we really, I think, on behalf of the students, also, I would like to say that we really appreciate your time, knowing your busy schedule. So we really appreciate your time. Thank you very much. And it's not easy, students. It's not easy to be with Dr. RAMESH ZAIDI. So maybe we would like to take a picture if we do have.
Come.
Yeah,
Let's
come,
take
let's
picture
everyone
together.
on. So one coffee when you on the camera. Come everyone. Maybe we can
Come
take a
switch on your
picture.
camera. Samut, very fast. Samut. So you're not going back to Kota Marudu, eh?
No, no, Doctor.
Oh, anyway, do we have international students here?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
many
can you
doctors.
just raise your hand or just say me? Just type there in the chat. Me, M-E, me. International students.
Yeah, I'm from Indonesia.
You're from Indonesia. May I know what's your name?
Ahmad Farsmad. I don't live
Okay.
that far away from Batam.
Okay, Ahmad. Oh, from Batam. Oh, that's good. Chen Yilin. Chen Yilin, where are you from?
I'm from China, doctor.
Oh, you're from China. Which part of
Uh,
China?
yeah.
Sorry?
So sorry, pardon. Sorry, doctor.
China, where is it? Where?
Yeah. Shanxi province, China.
Xiangxi province. I see.
No,
Okay.
Shanxi province, Xia.
Xiangxi. Okay. All right.
Okay, I think we
Amin
can
also.
just
Okay. Okay,
we
come.
can take a
Let's
picture.
take picture.
Okay. Give your best smile, everyone. You know, few shoots. Okay, I go to the next one. Just hold on your smile.
Carol, hold on your smile, Carol.
Okay, thumbs up. I follow your style, doctor.
I should follow your style, no?
It's okay. I just follow you. I'll follow you, doctor.
Okay, another one. The last one. Okay, thank you very much,
All right.
everyone. So we'll be sharing the thanks, doctor. We'll be sharing the recording also to everyone through UTM Excite link.
Okay.
Again, thanks a lot, Dr. Zaidi.
Most
Really
welcome.
appreciate.
So yeah, thank you very much to all of you. So please take care, have a good rest, and yeah, tomorrow will be second day of lecture again. All right. So please take care. Bye bye, everyone. All the best.
Okay.
See you in
Bye.
future, doctor.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, most welcome. Bye bye.
Thank you, doctor.
Good night.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you, doktor.
good night.
Thank you, doktor. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you. Bye bye.
Doctor.
Thank you, doctor. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you. Most welcome. Thank you, Dr. Loges, for the effort to have this initiative.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Doctor. At least,
Yeah.
I was thinking it will be too late. Then I'm happy that, at least, we are just starting right after the semester break.
Yeah.
It will be very helpful for them.
Correct.
Okay. Thanks, Doctor.
Okay. Bye bye. Good
Okay,
night.
bye. Good night.
Bye. Once I get the recording, I will share.
Okay, sure, Doctor. Thanks. Okay,
Bye.
bye.